Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Cryptoholic Bootcamp. If you ever looked at the Bitcoin chart going up and down like crazy and you was wondering how the fuck people getting money from it, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you in this bootcamp. In the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna break down for you what is crypto trading and how in the hell people making money from it. My name is Kai and you can follow me on all social medias. Every day I'm posting the content about the crypto, about trading news, about finance news, about stocks, the war, everything what I like to do and everything what I understand. I'm gonna try to show you in this bootcamp. This is the first episode of the complete Cryptoholic Bootcamp and there's gonna be around 50-60 videos, something like that, which gonna transfer you from the completely beginner to the someone who can understand the charts. I'm not talking just about the crypto, I'm talking about the forex. There is futures, there is S&P 500 and everything else, the oil, the metals, but mostly what I'm concentrating and what I'm good at, it's crypto trading. So I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you understand. I'm gonna help you understand technical analysis about it. So if you're here and you can dedicate yourself for at least 2 months, because the plan is to upload at least 1 video a day. Maybe there's gonna be 2, maybe there's gonna be 3 videos. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna get burned out. No one knows. So basically 2 months of your dedication to understand all the concepts you need to start trading and start making money. So what is crypto trading? At its core, it's basically buying low and selling high. But crypto is different from others because it's like on the steroids. I mean, the movements are bigger, there is much more volatility, and you can play with that and make more money and of course lose more money. But we're gonna talk about that in the future lessons. There are 2 ways to trade in crypto. First of all is the spot trading. So the spot trading is basically you buying crypto. That's it, and you hold for it, and if the price goes up, you sell it. It's easy. And there is leverage trading, the future trading. This is basically where the most serious trader makes money or lose it. So basically you don't have the coin, but you're making the bet on the price direction using the leverage. Easy to understand. So yeah, basically this is a live Bitcoin chart on the 5-minute time frame. All the terms we're gonna talk about later. I'm gonna cover everything so you're gonna understand. But to get a basic idea, today is Saturday, and on the Saturday there is very low movement, but still the price is going up for some reasons. We can look at this chart and basically the price on the 5-minute time frame from 5 in the morning until basically 5 in the afternoon, the price went from 63,500 to 64,300, and this is Bitcoin. So this is a Saturday and it went basically 1,000 up. So imagine what's gonna be during the weekdays when the market is more volatile. But what you have to understand that this is how the crypto is moving, this is how the trading works, this is how the Bitcoin is moving in this case scenario. And all of the candles represent something. In this case, the green candles means that the price going from lower to higher in the 5-minute time frame. I mean, the price went up. The red is the opposite and going down from the top to the bottom. I'm gonna talk about the wicks, the support zones, the resistance zones, the supply, demand, liquidity. I'm gonna cover everything you need to understand about the charts, but in this case scenario, yeah, there is, for example, a simple concept of support and resistance. And support means that the price is respecting some kind of the area and it's bouncing from it. So it's one from the technical analysis terms, and we're gonna talk about it. But the main idea is that price is bouncing, and if you are a trader, you're gonna notice that and you're gonna maybe enter and make some profit from it. So I'm gonna show you how to put stop losses, how to put entry points, and how to put take profits. Everything, but this is the first lesson that you have to understand how the market is moving, what apps we are using. I'm gonna put this app TradingView in the description. You're gonna find it, you can register there and track everything. I'm not talking just about Bitcoin, I'm talking about Ethereum, Solana, and a lot of more. Basic understanding how the market moves and what technical tools we're using, it's important. You have to need to use those. Also, you're gonna need an exchange and everything to start trading, to start investing. Everything gonna be here. Just subscribe to this channel and start learning, because it's a skill. It's gonna be good for you in the future, and also you never know, maybe it's gonna put the bread on the table. Maybe this is a Bitcoin chart, and you can use, for example, not a 5-minute time frame. I talked about it. This is just one candle in the 1-minute time frame. You can use a 1 hour, for example. And what you need to understand, that this huge green candle was printed during 1 hour. It was on Thursday. Opening price was about 62,500. Maybe the price went down, that's why the wick was created, and the closing price was in the top. So basically it went from 62,500 to 63,600 in just 1 hour, and that was on Thursday. That's why it's important to understand why it's happening. Of course there is news, but technical analysis also is very important. But I just show you the examples, and we're gonna move forward in the next videos. So now, if you are serious about the crypto trading and trading in general, comment the bootcamp. I'm gonna contact you. Follow me on the Instagram, the TikTok. Send me messages. I'm gonna help you if you need. Join the ecosystem inside. Also, everything is in the comments. Join there. All the news, all the updates about the crypto, about the stocks, about finance, about war. Tracking everything, because all of this impacts my trading and my trading style. That's why I'm going to show you. That's what I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you strategies, I'm going to teach you technical analysis, I'm going to teach you sentimentals and what to expect during these kinds of the markets. So I really appreciate for that subscribe button and for the support. Thank you so much, guys.